Christy here, back with another YouTube video, and this time I'm going to be unboxing my Archer and Olive subscription box. So this has been in my house for quite some time, and I'm just now getting an opportunity to unbox it. So I'm going to take you along as I open it up. I haven't looked inside, so I'm super excited. Side note, please look. I painted one of my hands last night, and then I don't even know, ridiculous time of night, and I was like, oh no, I'm not gonna have time to have it dry. So anyways, please disregard my ADD painted fingernails. All right, let's see. I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna see what's inside. Look at the colors, you guys. Oh my goodness. So let's start with this one. This is a decorative tin with note cards and one-sided dot grid paper. Oh my gosh, this is like totally my jam. These colors. Oh my gosh, so cute. Scooting on by to say hi. You're spectacular. You're the zest. Aren't you amazing? Hope all is swimmingly well. And then some dot grid paper. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So freaking cute. All right, so that comes in the box. Then we have, let's take a lot of this out. Oh my gosh, there's so much goodness. All right, let's do this. Oh, a wax seal and wax set. How cute is that? And it's gold, the wax. It's so cute, you guys. Look, can you see it? It's a lemon and an orange. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'm definitely gonna have to do a little research on how to use that. And then, actually, let me take all this out and move the box, because that would make it a lot better. All right, so let's do the stuff that's easy to open, and then we'll leave the journals for last. All right, so you get some stickers in this vellum envelope. These are so cute. Let me spread them out. Look at how cute. Oh my gosh, these colors. Little Vespa, wish you were here. Vacation mode. How stinking adorable are those? Oh my gosh, love them. All right, and then let's do the washi, since I got you in nice and close. Look at this washi. You get 4 washi tapes. And I'm gonna show them to you on my desk. Rolled out a little bit. Oh my gosh, so freaking cute. Lemons, and then this is like a lemon, yellow, and a peach color. And then, oh, this blue dot is so good. I actually just finished a page with this color blue on it. This washi would have been perfect. So I use my washi on all sorts of things, not just my planners and artsy fartsy things, but I do use it on layouts and such. And then this one is like oranges. OMG. How stinking cute are those? All right, let's take it back out, and I'm gonna show you the pens. But this subscription box is worth every penny. I'm not sure if there's any left, but I will leave a link down below to the subscription box. I would very much appreciate it if you use my link, because I am an affiliate for Archer and Olive, which means that I make a small commission off of any sale that uses and shops my link. You don't pay any more, but I do get a small commission. So I would appreciate if you would shop my affiliate link. Look at these. These colors are so good. Like an orange, a pink, a light sky blue, a true blue, and this bright yellow. Love them, and they're 0.7 millimeter. Good stuff. All right, and let's open this guy. This is a journal cover. And this is so good. It's paper. You could cut this down and use it as a pocket. That is so cute. And look at this journal cover. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so cute. The little snap enclosures. All right, you guys, some great stuff. All right, I'm gonna open the journals and show you the covers. All right, so I took the lids off. Look at the lid alone. So freaking cute. And then this is, OMG, you guys. My friend Jen would love this. She loves blue things. It has this beautiful, this probably fits in here. It's like a traveler's notebook size. Oh, it fits perfect. So good. So good. So good. So good. All right. And then it just closes. That is a perfect fit. All right. So you get this journal. It has dot grid paper on the inside in true fashion. It has, let's see, 144 sheets of paper inside. All right, and then the next one, let's slide this guy over. The lid, look, the oranges, it's like the washi tape. It all coordinates. That's what I love about these subscription boxes. So the subscription boxes are quarterly. So you will pay quarterly. They'll bill you quarterly for these boxes, and you'll get one every quarter, which is amazing. All right, so this is like a soft cover. Ooh, I like that. It's not like their linen cover with the little Vespa. And then look at the pages. They are pink, but they are white. So the edges are pink. So when it's closed, it looks pink. But you guys, most definitely white inside. Bright yellow matches the whole ensemble. All of it coordinates so well together. All right, you guys. Gotta do it. You gotta take the plunge. If you're not getting the subscription box, you need to get the subscription box. Not sure if this one is available, but like I said, I will link it down below. Right now, Archer and Olive is having a 20% off everything sale. So if you head on over with my link in the description box and shop the sale, everything is 20% off. And you don't have to use a code to use my affiliate link. It just tells them that you're clicking on it and that you're using it, and again, sends me a little small commission. So thank you guys so much for being here. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you are new here, I would love if you would become a subscriber. Always like and comment. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below, and I will be sure to get back to you. All right, you guys, until next time, I hope that you find time to be creative.